Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Nissan Juke key fob. First, let's prepare by gathering the necessary tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver, ideally a precision one, and a fresh CR 2032 coin cell battery. Having a clean, well-lit area is also important to avoid misplacing any tiny components during the process. This simple task can save you money compared to a dealership visit. Now, let's begin disassembling your key fob. First, slide the small latch to release and remove the physical key blade. Next, look for a small slot or indentation along the edge of the key fob casing. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob should begin to separate, revealing the internal components. With the key fob open, it's time to replace the battery. Use your small flathead screwdriver to gently pry out the old coin cell battery from its holder. When handling the new CR 2032 battery, always hold it by its edges to prevent transferring oils or depleting its charge. Carefully insert the new battery into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, which has the plus sign, faces downwards. Almost done. Carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Press them firmly together until you hear them click securely into place, ensuring a tight seal. Next, slide the physical key blade back into its slot until it locks. Finally, test all the key fob's functions, like locking and unlocking your vehicle, to confirm that the new battery is working correctly. You've successfully replaced your Nissan Juke key fob battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.